Good. Your thoughts about just getting this award?
Yeah, I was so nervous of it. I realized that I feel like this is the first time I really accepted an award on stage, and I'm very grateful. It's for New Movie Actress of the Year, and I'm so grateful to PFBC Star Awards for the recognition. I'm also grateful to ABS-CBN and Star Cinema for giving me the opportunity to be part of such a great movie, such as Unhappy for You. And it was such a huge hit. I'm thankful to all of my co-stars kasi pinafeel nila sa akin na talagang nag-enjoy lang kami kahit nagtatrabaho talaga kami. So yeah, I'm super grateful. I'm over the moon, and I'm just looking forward to everything that comes next after this.
Aside from your parents at saka sa mga fans mo, kanino mo na-offer yung award nito?
Honestly, kay God. Kasi if He did not give me that signal na parang maybe I should consider trying out acting, then I wouldn't be here. So I thank the Lord for putting me in this position today.
I'm sure DJ would be happy also for your award.
Thank you. One photo na lang. One photo na lang. Ayun, 1, 2, 3. Congratulations.